Have you ever wondered how drivers in Japan routinely save huge amounts on fuel, even during massive price spikes? It's not a secret gadget or a special type of gasoline. Today, we're breaking down the Japanese fuel-saving method that can cut your fuel costs by up to 50% without you needing to buy special products or make any mechanical modifications to your car. This is about driving smarter, not harder. Fuel economy affects every single driver. For those of us in the United States, we spend thousands of dollars every year just on gasoline. According to recent American Automotive Association data, the average U.S. driver spends over $2,000 annually on fuel, and inefficient driving habits can make that number skyrocket. Think about it. Hard braking, rapid acceleration, and poor planning all contribute to burning more fuel than necessary. Every time you fill up your tank, a portion of that money could be staying in your pocket if you just adjusted a few simple habits. It's not just about the money either. Better fuel economy means fewer emissions and less strain on your vehicle's engine and brakes. So improving your fuel efficiency is a win-win-win situation. The Japanese method isn't a single trick, it's a disciplined philosophy. It's a combination of 5 core habits that, when used together, drastically reduce how much fuel your car consumes. This approach focuses on being smooth, predictive, and efficient in every aspect of your driving. We're talking about smooth acceleration, predictive driving, smart engine management, minimizing idle time, and optimizing your vehicle's physical state. These aren't complicated engineering principles, they're straightforward techniques anyone can learn and apply. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming a much more efficient driver. Let's dive into the first habit. The first pillar of this method is smooth acceleration. Think of your gas pedal not as an on-off switch, but as a dimmer. Rapid, aggressive acceleration is one of the biggest fuel wasters. When you floor it from a stop, you're telling your engine to dump a massive amount of fuel into the cylinders for a short burst of speed. Japanese drivers, especially those focused on economy, often accelerate gently and gradually. They aim to reach their desired speed steadily rather than in quick, jerky movements. Imagine you have an open cup of water on your dashboard. Your goal is to drive without spilling it. This gentle approach keeps the engine in its most efficient power band and can improve your fuel economy by a significant margin almost immediately. It's the easiest change to make with the most immediate impact. Next up is predictive driving. This habit is all about looking ahead and anticipating what's coming. Instead of reacting to the car directly in front of you, you should be scanning the road far ahead. See a red light in the distance? Don't race towards it only to slam on the brakes. Instead, take your foot off the gas early and let the car coast, slowing down naturally. See a hill coming up? Build a little momentum before you start the climb so your engine doesn't have to work as hard going up. Predictive driving is about minimizing the use of your brakes. Every time you brake, you're wasting the energy you spent fuel to create. By looking ahead and adjusting your speed early and smoothly, you maintain momentum and keep your car in a state of flow, which is incredibly fuel efficient. Now let's talk about clutch and gear control. This might sound like it only applies to manual cars, but the principle is relevant for automatics too. In Japan, where many seasoned drivers still prefer manual transmissions, they are masters of shifting for peak efficiency. They shift up to a higher gear as soon as it's practical, keeping the engine RPMs low. A lower RPM means the engine is working less and using less fuel. For those of us with automatic transmissions, you can still influence this. Most modern automatics are designed for economy, but your throttle input tells the car when to shift. By accelerating gently, you encourage the transmission to shift up sooner and stay in a higher gear. Some cars even have an eco mode that adjusts shift points for you. Understanding how to keep your engine from revving too high is a crucial part of this fuel-saving puzzle. The fourth habit is avoiding unnecessary idling. An idling engine accomplishes nothing but burns fuel. A modern car can burn a surprising amount of gasoline just sitting still with the engine on. The rule of thumb is simple. If you anticipate being stopped for more than 10 to 15 seconds, it's often more fuel efficient to turn the engine off. Think about long traffic lights, waiting to pick someone up, or being stuck in a drive-through line. Many new cars even come with an automatic start-stop system for this very reason. It might feel strange at first to turn your car off and on in traffic, but the fuel savings add up quickly. A few minutes of idling each day can translate to gallons of wasted fuel over the course of a year. So if you're not moving, cut the engine. Our fifth and final habit is tire and load optimization. This is about the physics of your car. Two major factors that impact fuel economy are rolling resistance and weight. Underinflated tires create more friction with the road, which means your engine has to work harder just to move the car forward. You should check your tire pressure at least once a month and keep them inflated to the manufacturer's recommended level. At the same time, every extra pound in your car requires more energy to move. Are you carrying around golf clubs, tools, or other heavy items you don't need for your daily commute? Take them out. Removing just 100 pounds of unnecessary weight can improve your MPG. This combination of properly inflated tires and a lighter vehicle reduces the overall workload on your engine, leading directly to better fuel economy. So, how do all these habits work together in the real world? Let's do some simple math. Let's say you drive about 15,000 miles yearly and your car gets 25 miles per gallon with your current less efficient driving habits. That means you're using 600 gallons of fuel annually. Now, let's say you adopt these Japanese driving techniques. You start accelerating smoothly, looking ahead, and keeping your tires properly inflated. Your fuel efficiency could easily improve to 37.5 miles per gallon. Suddenly, you're only using 400 gallons to drive the same distance. That's a savings of 200 gallons of fuel. At $4 a gallon, that's $800 back in your bank account every year. That's a 33% reduction in fuel consumption. For some drivers who make a dramatic change, savings up to 50% are genuinely possible. It's not magic, it's just smart driving. Now, it's important to clear up some common misconceptions. This method is not about dangerous or extreme behaviors. It's not about coasting downhill in neutral, which can be unsafe and illegal in some places. It's not about turning your engine off while the car is still moving, which is incredibly dangerous as it disables power steering and brakes. This is about disciplined driving that aligns with physics, not about chasing myths that offer tiny gains at a huge risk. The Japanese method is built on safety and consistency. It's about making hundreds of small, smart decisions during every drive that collectively add up to massive fuel savings. It's a sustainable practice that makes you a better, safer, and more economical driver. Fuel prices will always go up and down, but your driving habits can provide a stable defense against high costs. By adopting these 5 Japanese driving techniques, you can take control of your fuel consumption. You can slice significant waste from your budget, reduce your environmental impact, and simply drive smarter every single day. This isn't a temporary fix, it's a long-term skill that pays you back every time you get behind the wheel. Start with one habit, master it, and then add another. Before you know it, you'll be saving money without even thinking about it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Car Care Zone for more tips to help you save money and take better care of your vehicle. Drive smart and save more.